Founded in 2013 and located in Dongguan, China. Worth It Intelligent Equipment Co., Limited is a manufacturer of masks and packaging equipment. With a 2,000 square meters of workshop, 100 workers, 10 experienced engineers, 100 high-end production equipment, and 20 sales teams. Providing 24-hour online service and flexible customization as needed. Main products are N95 mask machine, KN95 mask making machine, edge sealing machine, E-loop welding machine, flat disposable mask machine, semi-auto mask making machine, tie-on mask machine and packing machine. Products are widely used in food, medicine, daily necessities and other industries, have been exported to Russia, Mexico, France, Italy, India, South Korea, Turkey, Egypt, the United States and so on. In addition, we have established strong business alliances and relationships with many well-known suppliers around the world.